We have a difference microscope here, as you can see. We have this one in white color, which is look like this one. So the model is sunshine. So for this one, for the technicians, we need to buy such kind of microscope. So we go for this one, which is a Super X. So this is the most worthless microscope I have ever seen. So as you can see, we have the screen, we have the eyes here. This is look like this one for the one who need the better clear image. So you can't go away from this one. So this is the best one, the best microscope with 4K image. And so we go to the ECS 6558X. So for this one also, for the real technicians, the technician who need to start technical business, so you can't go away from this one. For the clear image, you need to choose this kind of microscope. So when we reach to RF4, also this one is known to be a very nice microscope, because it have to use a great zoom. For the zoom, if you need to zoom for a great image, so you can't go away from this one. This one is very clear, very zoom and zoom out. So this one is also good. So let's go to this one, which is RF also. See the big one, same like this one, but the big ones. As you can see, this is also the lens. See the lens. And this is also a lens. This one is good also. For the technician who need to start the technical business, so you need to come. So you need to buy such kind of microscope. So when you go through this one, which is 6575X, for also the clear image and big zoom, so you need to choose this one. This one is good. This one is very nice. Look, you can rotate for any angles. So you have here which is relief. It is relief plant, which is made pro. This one is very good also. And so when you go to the another technical material, this is the shop where you can buy different material. Look, this oscilloscope. This one is oscilloscope, the best machines for motherboard diagnostics. And look, that is a power supply for the phones. This power supply is responsible to check the short motherboards, the short component on motherboard. So you need to buy this kind of power supply also. So you have a screen separator, as you can see, for iPhones, for Android phones. Have different material here.